Samsung Electronics estimates its sales and operating profits for the second quarter to have risen sharply on year. In terms of sales, it's estimated to be a Q2 record for the tech giant, thanks to, among other things, a solid performance by its semiconductor business. Meanwhile, LG Electronics sales surpassed the market consensus due to a rise in the auto parts business, but saw a drop in operating profit. Rae-hyun has more.
Despite ongoing geopolitical issues and global inflation, Samsung Electronics has logged its highest ever projected sales for the second quarter. In an earnings guidance report released on Thursday, the company says sales estimates from April to June amount to a record $58.9 billion, up almost 21% from the same period last year. The tech giant also expects an 11.3% on-year increase in operating profit, amounting to roughly $10.7 billion. This would mark the company's third highest second quarter profits ever. Analysts say the earnings were largely driven by operating profits from Samsung's semiconductor business and expect the company's profits for semiconductors to stand at around $7.6 billion. A high $1 exchange rate also appears to be contributing to earnings. For example, in the first quarter, the $1 exchange rate rose almost 2% compared to the previous quarter, which brought profits of some $229 million. The exchange rate is expected to also result in $635 million in operating profits in the second quarter. One analyst says he has a positive outlook for Samsung's sales in the third quarter.
Despite falling DRAM chip prices, Samsung sales in the third quarter will increase as display sales recover and a new foldable phone is set to be released during the period. But operating profits are likely to remain due to a drop in chip prices.
LG Electronics also posted sales far better than the market consensus. It projected a rise in quarterly sales of a little over $15 billion, an increase of 15% compared to the same period a year earlier. This is largely driven by a sales rise in LG's auto parts. However, the estimated operating profit came to a record of about $610 million, which is down over 12% on year. Industry insiders say this is caused by a drop in TV sales and a rising cost of logistics and raw materials. Rae-hyun, Arirang News.